こちらはプロイミオンブースです。それでは製品やサービスについてご説明をお願いします。
Thank you. Yes, so Proemion produces a worldwide telematics system for global OEMs. So it's from the hardware itself, you can see on the walls, manufactured in Germany, in addition to a data platform where the data is then connected to. And this data then can be accessed via API and pushed wherever via data portal, which an example of which is right here, all of which can be customized and white labeled, and as well data pushed out to their own cloud or even a real-time streaming of the data to their service tools to do configuration updates, diagnostics, and firmware updates.
それではただいまご説明いただきました製品やサービスはどういった方に使ってもらいたいですか？
Yes, so our main focus are OEMs in construction machinery, but OEMs in general, which have CAN bus, CAN knowledge, and also in the next generation Ethernet as well. Main focus is in Europe and US, but also we have a strong presence in Asia Pacific with our office in South Korea.
それでは最後に今後力を入れていきたい製品やサービスについて教えてください。
Thank you. Yeah, and so a big focus now is on cybersecurity. So we've been certified now with RED and CRA with our devices, and with that, a big focus will be on how do we achieve full fleet firmware updates to our customers' controllers in an easy fashion. Something we've been doing for many years, but we want to achieve this for also other controller brands.
ありがとうございました。プロイミオンブースからお届けいたしました。